Right guys, so we've got high pressure zones, we've got low pressure zones, we've got air moves from areas of high energy, high pressure down to areas of low energy, low pressure. Now we'll look at what that actually looks like over top of a satellite image or a map of Australia. So as I said, it basically looks like a contour map, and as you can see, it looks pretty similar to a contour map. What we have down here, we have a big high pressure system, and we have a big low pressure system here, and then we've got low pressure system here and here. You can see the enclosed circle of the high is 1027. That's in hectopascals, that's the pressure, and this is 998 here. Air moves from the center of our high pressure system downwards to our low pressure system. We can draw the same lines here, probably the same lines here and here. So as air gets heated, gets hot, it rises through the atmosphere, and then it cools, and then it drops down towards the atmosphere, down to the low pressure areas, which are low lying areas. What this would see, we'll talk about the circulation of airflows in the next video, but what we can see here is there's a big high pressure system down here in the Great Australian Bight that's moving towards the east. This is creating these hot winds that are blowing into Perth because they're blowing in over the desert. If this is a low pressure system over here sitting over Perth, then would have cooler weather because that's blowing cool air in off the ocean, cool, moist, wet air. Just like a normal map, we also have a key or a legend down here, which just shows us what these little signs are. So this low pressure system is almost like these trough, low trough, these blue dotted lines, almost like on a contour map, kind of a valley. We can see a valley of low pressure that stretches across here. This cold front here means that there's a low pressure behind this operating center word here, and that's going to be pushing over the next few days. On Monday, it's predicted that this is going to be much cooler in Perth, and 22 degrees, it's 39 right now, and that's going to be caused by this low pressure system moving across, bringing this cold air off the Southern Ocean and into Perth. This, of course, is retrieved off the Bureau of Meteorology, and it's really important that we get our weather from proper sources, not Fox News or any other kind of rubbish. This is straight from the horse's mouth, and this is what we have to plan programs off, because this is what the government stakes their word behind. So if anything happens, we have the government's guarantee that this is what their best prediction is for the weather. So next video, we'll look at rotation and we'll look at how that starts to affect where wind actually moves from and how it brings weather across.